Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into the best woodworking tools you can get for under $150. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your toolkit, we've rounded up 20 reliable, budget-friendly tools that deliver serious value without cutting corners on quality. Let's jump right in. One, face frame clamps. Priced at $38, these face frame cabinet clamps are designed to make installations faster and more precise. They let you tighten, align, pre-drill, and secure cabinet styles without removing or readjusting the clamp. With a 2 to 4.2-inch opening capacity, 2.2-inch jaw width, and up to 600 pounds of clamping force, they're a must-have for cabinet makers. 2. Nicpro Carpenter Pencil. For just $9.99, the Nicpro Carpenter Pencil Set gives you a complete marking solution. It includes 2 solid pencils, 26 refills, a sharpener, and a storage box. With its 45mm elongated tip, this deep hole marker reaches tight spaces and small holes where standard markers fail. Perfect for both woodworking and construction projects. 3. Countersink Drill Bit Set. At $29, this Countersink Drill Bit Set includes 5 high-speed steel tapered bits in multiple sizes, with 82-degree countersinks, all featuring a 1/4 of an inch hex shank. Designed for natural wood, plywood, MDF, decking, drywall, and even plastics, it's a versatile set for any shop. 4. Micro Detail Sander Kit. Priced at just $6, this sander kit includes 90 sandpapers from coarse 60 grit to fine 400 grit. The lightweight PU foam sanding block is ergonomically designed, letting you reach tight spaces, edges, and details with comfort and precision. 5. Corner Clamp. For $43.99, this 90-degree corner clamp is built from high-quality aluminum alloy. With a 2.75-inch clamping range and non-slip rubber handle, it's strong, durable, and perfect for assembling frames, cabinets, or boxes. 6. REEKON M1 Caliber Measuring Tool. This digital measuring tool, priced at $149, clamps to most saw fences and delivers precise readings on a backlit LCD. It eliminates the need for a tape measure, speeds up cutting threefold, and works with a variety of saws, miter, bevel, and compound alike. 7. Dual Spindle Dowel Jointer. At $139, this jointer offers both single and double drilling with variable depths up to 38 millimeters. Its adjustable tilt fence locks anywhere from 0 to 90 degrees, making it perfect for strong angled joints. 8. CA Glue with Activator. For $19, this fast-curing adhesive creates a strong bond in just seconds. With its aerosol activator and mess-free formula, it's ideal for both industrial and hobby projects. 9. Rubber Mallet. Priced at $11, this rubber mallet features a durable head, shock-absorbing fiberglass handle, and ergonomic grip. Great for woodworking, flooring, jewelry making, and more, it delivers soft, controlled strikes without damage. 10. Double-sided woodworking tape. At $36, this industrial-grade tape delivers strong adhesion without leaving residue. It's trusted by woodworkers for CNC router applications, offering a secure hold even at high speeds. 11. Square Combination. For $22, this combo includes a zinc alloy square ruler and an aluminum triangle ruler. With secure grip design, precise markings, and a locking mechanism, it's built for accurate measurements in woodworking and crafts. 12. Wood Carving Kit. For $49, this kit comes with 12 carving knives, tracing tools, and cut-resistant gloves. Ergonomic walnut handles and razor-sharp steel blades make it perfect for detail carving and long crafting sessions. (13) Shelf Pin Jig. For $53, this jig drills 11 shelf pin holes in one pass. With included drill bits, bushings, and adjustable offsets, it's versatile for bookshelves, cabinets, and other shelving projects. (14) Corner Clamps. Priced at $29, these CNC-machined aluminum alloy clamps deliver accurate 90-degree and 45-degree joints. They're ideal for drawers, frames, cabinets, and picture assemblies, saving time and ensuring alignment. (15) Trend EasyScribe. For $31, this tool makes scribing easy across doors, flooring, tiles, and more. With adjustable offsets, a flat base, and a fine pencil line, it's precise and user-friendly. (16) HOTO Rotary Tool Kit. For $59, this rotary kit handles grinding, polishing, cutting, and carving. With a 5-speed motor and 35 included accessories, it's versatile for DIY, crafts, and even pet nail care. 17. Track Saw Square. For $45, this CNC machine square ensures accurate miter cuts from -60 to 60 degrees with 11 angle stops. Compact and portable, it's a handy upgrade for track saw users. (18) Dowel Jig Kit. For $39, this self-centering jig ensures perfectly aligned holes for floating shelf projects. With included drill bits and brackets, it's a complete doweling solution on a budget. (19) InstaGauge Block. Priced at $29, this 16-piece set of aluminum setup blocks lets you quickly set blade, fence, and bit heights. Each block features engraved measurements for fast, accurate adjustments. 20. Wood Moisture Meter. At just $19, this tool offers both pin and pinless scanning. Ideal for lumber, drywall, and even furniture, it helps prevent warping and detects moisture before problems start. And that's our roundup of 20 woodworking tools under $150 that give you the most bang for your buck. From measuring tools to clamps and carving kits, these affordable picks are perfect for upgrading your shop without overspending. Which one will you add to your toolkit first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more woodworking gear reviews. Until next time, keep building and keep busting those chops.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.